Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mark Ghossein with the Matt Gibbs Group at Century 21, and if you're wondering where I am, I'm at Britannia Park, spending the day here because there's so much to do. You can go for a run or a bike ride through the path, right through the conservation area, or spend a nice day on the beach. The reason I'm here today is because we're steps away from my newest listing at 2643 Don Street, which is a beautiful semi-detached 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalow with a separate side entrance where the sellers actually have city-approved plans for a separate dwelling in the basement. This kind of property does not come on the market often, so you guys do not want to miss it. Now, why don't we go take a look and let me know what you guys think.